just landed. Look with who I'm here with. Hi, my name is Jamila. We just arrived in London. Jamila. And we're gonna have beans on toast, if you know what I mean. Merci. We made it. Babes, babe.
Oh yeah, you've been in London, babe.
It's been 10
always
years
been.
with this fucking bitch. Virgo's talking about we should do a TikTok.
She just said, mind you, it's 7 a.m. I'm in the morning, she calling, I'm yawning.
Yo, that's so UK as well, the song.
But how does the lyric go again?
I don't know. Me and lyrics.
Ting from Walking.
Oh, yeah.
7 a.m. in the morning. Is this your luggage? Look. Like, what the heck?
I was like, wait, that's not, no.
That's not right.
That's not my luggage.
Oh, Clara, she arrived. Look. I just got on bump when she arrived.
Oh, nice.
I need to call her.
I don't know what though.
Wait, Jamila, can you do me a favor? This is mine. Thank you so much, babes.
Okay, filmmaker. I love how matching as well. Just landed on a private jet, you know.
We're to fly. No, we landed.
Hey. I'm talking about Eni.
We're talking about Eni. Okay, so Jamila just left me. And I'm heading to our Airbnb. Don't really got no plans today. Not really. Come walk with me to London. Cause I'm in fucking luggage. Hell no, you see this? Crazy. I'm gonna have to see another exit. God, that's the only way out. That's crazy. I did it. I got them stairs. Alright, so now we roaming through London. I asked the front desk if, you know, I'm putting my Chihuahua place on. I asked him nicely if I could check in a bit earlier, but he told me it wouldn't be possible. Too bad in it. And so I just left my luggage now. I'm now waiting. I'm at, I'm not gonna read out loud. I don't know how you spell that shit. Leicester Square? Leicester? Anyway, I'm sitting in front of Jollibee. Now I'm just waiting for Shayla's. It's 10 a.m. currently, and I honestly have no clue where to go. I could be walking around and shit. Right now, I'm just really soaking in the sun. Need some vitamin D. Don't forget to step out, get some sun. Some of y'all need to touch some grass for real. Get out, get some sun. Nature and shit, you know? I'm with the gas. Là, on est dans un magasin de burritos, chocolate. Gloria did my eyelash, guys. How do you guys like it?
Beautiful.
I'm gonna show you eyelashes. Come on, there's a girl behind you.
Anything or chips? No.
La bloquera. She got her burrito. It's large. Like Clark. Oh my god, she hasn't been in my vlog yet.
Est-ce qu'on les cherche?
Chargé. Cheese. We all got lashes thingy.
You got lashes on.
Yay.
You got lashes.
She got no lashes. Is it okay?
It's okay.
What does your gun sound like? Girlies be popping. This is my POV. This is Clara's POV.
Il y avait Théodora. Ouais. Et en fait, on l'a vu. Mais toi, tu nous ressembles un peu, moi.
Second day. Second day. We're running a bit late as always, but now we're meeting Klogelo and trying to take the bike. What did you say, Clara? But show the chihuahua though. Something is off.
Something is off. Look at the mouth. The mouth and then look at the boob eyes. Like, what the hell?
Okay, so we...
How do we even start?
Like...
We just decided to stay in like a bunch of grannies.
No, first of all, let me tell you about our day. Yeah, we did not vlog at all. Why? Because our phone were all dead.
This is my first time on my phone.
By the way, are you okay with being naked like that, or you want me to?
I'm okay with being naked.
No.
This is so funny. This is my first time being on my phone.
Oh,
today.
also
Okay.
this is.
Okay. Guess not.
Attendez, les filles, là, c'est vraiment pas drôle. Désolée le vlog, mais là, j'ai oublié de mettre une valise dans mon vol, en fait.
Et là, Manon.
Mais là, maintenant, je l'ai payé.
Combien?
T'as assez?
Oui.
T'as?
Oui, j'ai.
Oui,
mais c'est pas le fait que
Parce
j'ai
que c'est
pas, en
oui.
fait.
Mais pour elle, c'est en fait la fête.
Mais attends.
Anyway, let me continue the vlog. Yeah, I'm filming with the iPad right now because I'm not kicking. Not even that I charge. Charger. Décharger. I can make some arrangements.
I can make some arrangements. I can make some arrangements.
Oh, dat is even goed als kangen, like.
And I was literally going to cry. I was going to
Were you? To be honest with you, girl. Je suis even booked
I
crashen.
could have already been there, but no, one of these fucking bikes going back to where we came from. I lost 5 pounds.
At one point, I really did want to cry, Clara, girl, I'm telling you. I wanted to crash out so bad. Maar ik was zo, let me calm down. Let Clara handle that.
And I handled it.
Point was that today nothing went the way it should be. And c'est okay, you know? The new mantra is say okay, you know? Because it is.
Yay. I can make some arrangements. Hi, Maya's vlog. I did my lashes. And I look like a different person. And I don't have to wake up and do my... Anyways, that's not what we're here for. You know, the day was very tiring, so we decided to just stay in and not go out today, which is okay. Stay in, stay chillin', stay put. And tomorrow is another day. We will shake our nyash and wind our waist.
Bisous, good night.
Good night.
I actually wanted to wear something else. I already had this outfit on, but you know, it's still a vibe. I'm trying to find like a yellow top if I can find it. If not, so what? I got Clara a matcha as well. When did it not record anymore?
No, I was much more.
You guys, daydream, vanilla, oat, matcha. It's so good. Mélange. I told you. We gon' fuck tonight.
Let me tell you a story. I was dancing, and then there's a guy. Her and her guys.
He comes behind me, and we're dancing, and he's like glued to my ass.
What, dance your ass in his face?
Non, genre il est vraiment collé à moi, genre. Et moi je le regarde comme ça. Et then he goes, say, I'm 20 and you, I'm 18. Then I was like, and he goes, he said, oh mais pourquoi tu m'as laissé danser sur lui si tu pensais? Mais moi je voyais pas aussi.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you, Maya. Make it make sense.
Shit's so good. Have I told you you're the best photographer out there?
Oh my God, I'm gonna cry.
I'm telling you every time. Oh, that's a vlog.
Thank you so much, babe.
Yeah. Guys, say hi to my vlog. Hello.
Carnival, Notting Hill. Today is the day. Yeah, we were supposed to be.
Yes, sir.
I already introduced myself, but I'm talking late. I'm eating a vegetable patty. It's a bit dry.
She needs some sauce with it.
A little sauce. A sauce, bitch.
I actually turned it into a matcha bitch.
Oh, I always was a matcha nigga. You never was?
I now am a matcha bitch.
Oh,
Yeah.
period. Matcha bitch.
The plantain, the fried plantain, so good.
I'm plantain holic. How is this?
And the first time I met Angie, you know, we call her Gangie out here, you know? That's her street name. There was just this connection. I instantly loved her.
Yeah,
like, what
literally,
you
me too.
mean?
Like, girl, we have like, I don't know, like,
You see, we're lost of words here because we just, I feel you. It's okay. I feel you.
you see, like, we have such a,
Such a genuine connection. Right
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Yes.
Good, it's just a
No,
bit
no
dry.
meat, right?
No meat. You don't eat meat?
Only chicken.
Period.
Have vlog for a minute right there. What you want to say?
Bonjour le vlog, on est là, on est à Londres, au carnaval.
Hey,
On
if
chill.
you're not bold,
You're not cold. That's it. You have to be bold to be cold. J'ai volé une caméra, je l'ai trouvée dans la rue comme ça. Mais en tout cas, c'est le fun, c'est la joie.
It's gonna happen. We're at the Carni, second day. Second day.
Second day, happy birthday!
DJ, we wanna party. Everybody go. Bestie, how you doing? Looking fly as always. I. Say your name.
Precious, yeah?
Precious.
Hey. Go. Loki, should I get a drink?
Already on.
Yeah. Oh my God. Okay,
Yeah.
let me introduce myself. My name is Mujo. I'm a very nice reporter. I come from Paris. And we're here from London, the carnival
Yeah.
for a cool week. We're having some fun.
Uh-huh.
I just met my yang, my twin.
My
You know what I'm saying?
yang.
Got the same cross.
You already
This is some real
know.
shit right here.
This
This ain't
some
no
real
fake.
shit.
We're not playing.
No, we twins.
You hear that? We're not
Life.
playing.
10 hearts in the comments for Mojo. Alright.
5 minutes, 2 minutes power nap, and then we go back.
Everyone, continue. Talking baby.
Doggy baby is fucking
Talking baby.
What are we eating?
We got henna. Guys, we got henna.
Matcha bitches.
Matcha niggas. No, I'm gonna
So cool, guys. Like, I do not want to leave. I'm actually very sad that I'm leaving. Makes me want to just live here, move here. With all my Shaylas. Now we're chilling. Waiting for cars. We're at the hotel. We grab all our stuff. Now they are about to leave, and I have to wait. I swear, it's a struggle. Shayla's leaving. Love you, babes. May she be protected and guided and safe. Bye bye. Love you. See that? Swing for life. This is a room. I didn't even do fucking room check. I didn't do shit.
Room check. A room tour. She doesn't even know the terms. Like,
No, I never know the terms, you know.
Are you even a real vlogger for real?
I am.
You don't even know the OG
But
shit.
y'all need to speak my language. Oh yeah. Switch off?
Not switch on.
Oh.
Is it not moving? Okay.
The witch is here.
I'm kind of nervous. You see, I'm nervous.
Penchés vont partir partout alors que le droit il a une seule direction.
Elle a stressé.
Mais c'est enough. When do we say in?
You never say in the end of it. Never.
Never, and I still do that mistake. So, je t'ai arrêté avec mon accent, hein.
Accent de quoi?
UK. I picked up. That's the reason why it's crazy.
Ils sont heureuses.
No, for real.
Tu dis comme eux et c'est drôle.
Oui.
Ladies, I'm trying to do my work today. Leave me alone type shit.
So this is the little vlog. Maybe it will come out, maybe it will not. But if you do, we send you love. A whole bunch of love.
I love me in it, girl. Why you so in it, girl? You want to get in it. Can you rock money in it? 1, 2, 3, you're on it. You ready for the Juve Carni? Brown skin, but she look like Kalani. Island girls, she come from Trelawney. Island girls, she come from Trelawney.
Huh? No, I need one some.
Hippodrome. Oh, no, because this is banging. I know this is banging.